All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1042, Stone case.
Thank you.
You welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. Stone, you brought
ma'am.
this case before the court. What's going on?
Okay, so basically, this is my twin sister. She dropped off her child to me about like 6 months ago, dropped her off saying that she was gonna come back, run to the store, and literally never came back. I've been taking care of her. I myself has 2 other kids as well. The little girl, her name is Karina.
Okay.
But Karina, so
How old is Karina?
she's 4 years old.
Okay.
Yeah. She's been getting sick a lot. I've been taking her to a doctor, but out of my pocket, it's been hard to take care of all that. And
We open with a shocking revelation. Miss Stone didn't bring her own child to court. She brought her twin sister's child. Why? Because the child was dropped off 6 months ago with a casual, "I'm going to the store," and the mother never came back. What would you do if your own sibling ghosted their kid on you?
from what I hear, my sister over here has been up in the clubs, working, and not taking care of her responsibilities, and not doing what she
excuse
needs
me,
to do.
Why is it funny?
I don't know.
When she finishes, then I will come to you, but there will be no laugh.
Karina, just 4 years old, is getting sick often. Miss Stone is handling doctor visits and costs alone while raising her own 2 children. This isn't co-parenting, it's a vanishing act. And then the mother has the audacity to laugh when accused of partying instead of parenting? How do you laugh at something like that?
Especially about what she just said, allegedly, that you're doing. You may continue.
But that's basically it. I'm here to request child support from her. That is my niece, and I do want her to, be okay, but I can't take care of her by myself.
Okay. All right. So, what's your name?
I'm Christina Stone.
Okay. All right, Christina. What do you have to say about what your sister said?
Basically, I just feel like we shouldn't even be here. We're sisters. This is a family matter. I don't even know why she even brought me here. I have tried to contact her, and for some reason, I have not been able to get a hold of her.
Wait a minute. Hold on one.
The mother, Christina, says they shouldn't even be in court because they're family. Excuse me? Family doesn't abandon a sick child. And when pressed, she admits she left the girl and didn't return. The judge is right, Miss Stone. Is doing what Christina should have done. Is family still family if they refuse to show up?
Second. You seem to be upset.
Yes, I'm very upset because she's over here.
She should be upset if what she says is true, that you left Karina with her after going to the store. Is that true?
And she hasn't even called me at all. That's a
I'm
lie.
trying to get a hold of her.
One second. It's a yes or no. Is that true? Did you
Yes.
leave Karina? Okay. She should be the one upset. You left your daughter, have not come back. She's paying things out of pocket. Your daughter.
Christina tries to justify everything her man's in jail. She's going through a lot. But let's be honest, Karina is going through worse. Her father's in prison and her mother is missing in action. This child has no emotional anchor only. Her aunt's standing strong. Isn't that little girl the one truly paying the price here?
Has health issues and you're not giving her any type of financial assistance. She should be upset. I don't understand your attitude.
I understand, but we are blood, we are family. I am going through a lot myself.
What are you going through?
Well, my baby father in jail, so it's hard for me to really.
What he in jail for?
He got involved in some. He got involved in some drugs and.
He's
Involved
a
in some
deadbeat.
drugs?
He ain't taking care of nobody.
Oh, okay.
So basically, yeah, he got involved with some drugs. He ended up in the.
The judge confirms what we already knew. Christina hasn't held custody for months. You can't just drop off a child and expect to reclaim her like a baggage claim. Legal custody belongs to the one actually doing the work. Should courts recognize emotional custody more than biological claims?
Penitentiary, and
How long has he been in there?
he's been in there for about 2 to 3 years, 2.5,
Okay.
something like that.
So he doesn't really know Karina then?
No,
Okay.
unfortunately.
All right. Okay, and I see that dad was served by way of you through the penitentiary system. So he was ordered, you know, to not necessarily be here because he can't be here, but he is aware that this hearing is taking place today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, yeah, I understand that it's a family matter, but at the end of the day, she's still doing something. She is not.
The judge confirms what we already knew. Christina hasn't held custody for months. You can't just drop off a child and expect to reclaim her like a baggage claim. Legal custody belongs to the one actually doing the work. Should courts recognize emotional custody more than biological claims?
So in 4 years, you guys can come back to court and then we can modify it. But as far as today, you are going to start paying her some child support.
Well, what if I just get the custody back?
You ain't even taking care of her. What do you mean?
I could take care of my own child.
No, I've been seeing
Wait
you
a minute,
out on
excuse me.
Snapchat.
You two will just address me, okay? You never had custody from the sounds of it. If you dropped your daughter off and never went back, she has been in rightful custody of your daughter, not you. So I can't make her overturn that situation. I mean, she's been doing it. That's what's right. And what's right is that you should pay child support. You'd agree with me, right?
Well, I mean, I would eventually like to get my child back.
Well, that's fine.
Christina throws in a weak defense. What if I just get custody back? But Judge Vonda shuts that down. Today isn't about what you want. It's about what's right for Karina. And what's right is paying for her health, food, and daily care, period. Should past abandonment disqualify someone from immediate custody claims?
Fine, eventually, but today, that's not what's going to happen, okay? How much money do you make?
I make about 30 grand a year.
30 grand a year. Okay, what do you do?
I work for a retail store.
You get commission?
No, I do not.
Okay. Is that the truth? Because you kind of hesitated.
I mean, I have other endeavors and stuff, like, you know, side businesses.
Okay, but nothing that just generates a whole lot of money?
No.
Okay. So this is what I'm going to do. Do you have any other children?
I do not.
Okay. So your child support obligation will start today. And health insurance. Do you know how much it would cost to add the child only?
So I had called around and they were quoting me about $500.
For that child only. Okay, if that child is, you said you have 2 other children? Mm-hmm. So it's 2 other children, it'll be you and then Karina.
Yes,
so it'll be
ma'am.
4 people.
Christina says she makes $30,000 a year working in retail, then hesitates. Side hustles, maybe, but nothing consistent. Even so, she's about to find out. Income doesn't have to be glamorous to be accountable. The judge is calculating now, and this mama's about to get her bill. Do you think inconsistent income should reduce a parent's responsibility?
How much would it be total for your insurance?
So for all of us, I think they said like $1,300.
$1,300. Ooh, health insurance is so expensive. So what I can do is divide it by 4. So individually, each person would be $325. So that would be the coverage that you will reimburse to your sister, okay? In addition to child support. So you said you have 1 child. I have your gross at...
Insurance. The aunt has been paying it all. Judge Vonda breaks it down, fairly divides total cost between 4 household members, and assigns Christina her exact share. $325 a month. Add child support, and now she owes $754 a month. Christina rolls. Her eyes, the judge, unbothered. Is $754 a fair amount for a child you left behind?
To $2,146.92. And you have 1 child. That brings your child support obligation to $429 plus the health insurance at $325. Your monthly obligation is $754 a month. You can roll your eyes all you want to. I'm really not bothered by that. right is right and wrong is wrong. And based on what your sister said and based on your own admission, you're in the wrong, and it's only right that you pay her child support as well as health insurance so your daughter can get her health issues taken care of. Anything I said confuse you?
I understand.
Okay. Well, do you have any questions for me?
I don't.
Okay. Do you have any other questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
In the closing segment, Judge Vonda explains it all. Under Texas law, physical possession gives you standings, so the aunt has full right to seek child support and add Karina to insurance. As for Dad, he's in prison. That can be revisited in 4 years. For now, the burden is on mamas. It should be. Do you think this ruling was too lenient or exactly what justice looks like?